That looks tighter now.
Yeah. You ready?
Yep. Just make sure it's not going to fall over.
I also think it's not perfectly lubed yet.
Yeah, yeah. Let's make cut.
Trees over here.
Okay.
Dead trees.
Cedar?
Yep.
Yes.
Like butter.
That thing's sick.
That's doing way better.
Wow. That thing's so cool. Get me on video there too.
Set it up like right. But click that.
Oh yeah.
And now it's locked. So you can go through the skid, just try not to hit too many nails.
That's crazy.
Try right on this
And
thing.
now, that's a good one.
Yeah,
Go
these
through
are-
all of
they're all
those if you
good.
want.
No, it's okay.
Like butter
Why do you have these skids here anyway?
for this.
Should they cut?
I think he's using the burn.
It doesn't feel like it goes going very fast, does it?
No, but it goes through it.
Does it take bar oil too, I take?
Yeah.
I put gear oil.
It's
No, motor oil. I think
Motor
he's motor oil on it.
whatever, honestly. Like, damn. That, like, works it, man.
Like the first time I used it to cut,
We
I
thought
was
it
like right through the skin. I'm like, oops.
Here. We'll cut this.
This is why all this shit's here, because we were just cutting stuff. And then I was cutting branches over there. I was just holding the saw with my head hitting them. And, like, not insanely loud.
A little bit loud, but not crazy, you're right.
No.
Damn.
It is a
pretty
big
sweet.
chainsaw though. It looks like it's like a
Yeah,
massive one.
See how this is the edge of the property on one side?